Zipner. Installation instructions. Opening mounting. Before starting the installation, please read the product technical and operational manual, the installation instructions provided with the system, as well as the motor and control manual, and follow the recommendations contained therein. All electrical connections can be made only by persons with proper qualifications. Tools required for installation: pen or pencil, meter stick, hex key, hammer, impact driver, wrench, level, impact drill. First step: unpack the system. To avoid damaging the system, do not use a knife for this. Then, measure the width of the system and the guide rails, and compare to check if the measured values are as ordered and indicated on the production label. Installation hardware, such as screws for assembling guide rail covers, are in a separate packaging with the guide rails. In order to prepare the guide rails for installation, position and drill mounting holes in the guide rail. Make drills approximately 100 mm from the bottom edge and 100 mm from the top edge. The recommended spacing of the mounting holes is no more than 60 cm. Place the guide rails prepared in this way against the window. Place the first one in the indicated place vertically. Drill holes in the mounting surface in the place of holes in the guide rail. Before fixing, place the cassette on the guide rails. Then, insert the entire system to the window recess. Pass the electric cable through the hole pre-prepared in the place of connecting the system. The hole can be provided in the rear part of the cassette or anywhere in the front, in accordance with the order form. Using a level, determine the vertical line and fix the second guide rail, checking all the time if the vertical and horizontal positions are correct. At this stage of the installation, connect the electrical controls and the power supply as detailed in the drive installation manual. Remove 2 screws at the bottom of the cassette and pull out the inspection part. Drop the fabric and check if it falls correctly into place between the guide rails. If necessary, adjust the fabric, moving it aside. Unwind more fabric than allowed by the system, and then adjust the fabric, moving it aside. After positioning the fabric, wind it up, leaving a dozen centimeters from the bottom edge of the cassette free. Insert the zip insert into the lock with the beveled edge. Use a hex key to install the guide rail cover. Mounting screws are in a separate box. Install and tighten the cassette inspection part. Check if the bottom bar and the material move correctly in the guide rails, and carry out fine adjustment of end stops as described in the drive manual.